service to Manhattan, take a Main Street bound 7 train to 90th Street or Metz Willets Point.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is 90th Street, Elmhurst Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
There is a local 7 train to Flushing Main Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Hello everyone, this is a reminder that it isn't the law to smoke or drink alcohol on the subway. And if you do, you could be fined, receive a civil penalty, or be asked to leave the premises. Thank you.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is 90th Street, Elmhurst Avenue.
You're not just risking your life.